Hello everyone, I am back with a new video, and in this video I am going to do one of the simplest type of question but looks hard. Actually, this question we can do in very simplest way, but most of the people what do they do in the scrap paper and waste their precious time in the digital asset real test. So how to avoid that we'll directly do in our Desmos, and you just learn from it and apply in your exam. Okay, so the question is saying the graph of line in the xy plane passes through the point 1 comma 8 and crosses the x-axis at the point 7 comma 0. The line crosses the y-axis at the point 0 comma b. What is the value of b? So here what you can do is, our question has told 1 comma 8 the line are passes through, the point is passing through, and the another x-axis is also given, which is 7 comma 0. And now you will draw the line, and as you can see that this line is given in the question. Now we have told us to find the value of b. So how we can find the value? When you write x equals to 0 and you will check the value of y, it is 9.33, and actually this is our answer. If you still didn't understood how I have did this, let me explain you. As you can see that in the place of x there is 0, and when we do that, and we need to check where the line is intersecting and giving the point y. As you can see that when x equals 0, y is 9.333, and in exam what you will do here is you just directly copy from this, you will directly copy from this graph and write it down here, and you'll just click here fraction button, and you can write in the fraction form to avoid mistake. So this is how the simplest question looks hard in digital asset exam. So to avoid, please follow us, and if you have doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.